Hey everyone, it's Tom from eReplacementParts.com, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at a few reasons why you wouldn't be able to adjust your snowblower chute. The snowblower chute is an important component. If it fails, you won't be able to effectively clear your driveway of the heavy white stuff, and that means resorting to a shovel. We put together a quick list that will help you get your chute back in working order. Now let's get started. Cables. Some models of snowblower use cables to control the snowblower chute. Inspect the cables for damage or wear. If your cable is stretched or loosened from use, your snowblower may have the option to tighten the cable. If you can't, you'll need to replace it. Gears. The gears rotate the chute in the direction you want to blow the snow. Chute controls can vary from electric to manual. If you have manual chute control, make sure the rod is connected to the gearbox assembly properly and that there is no damage to the gearbox itself. If there are any signs of damage or worn gears, they will need to be replaced. Springs or hinges. Deflector springs or hinges allow the chute to throw snow in variable positions. Inspect the springs or hinges. If either are damaged or broken, you'll have to replace them. Lubrication. Lubricating your chute's moving components can have a lasting effect by keeping your snowblower working its best. Spray all the connecting cables, joints, and hinges thoroughly. Thanks for watching. Remember, we have thousands more videos to help you with all of your outdoor power equipment, and if you have any questions for us, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.